Back at it again on this awesome Memorial Day.
Memorial
Today,
you're going to get a new car. For Daddy.
Yeah, that. How much is that one? Oh, how much?
No wonder. I think that's ILX.
What you mean, inside? You have a Civic.
I know.
And you want it.
I know. I got a TL too. Back in the ride.
He too good for the ILX. Looking at 2019s.
Oh, I remember we could look at them Hyundais.
Yeah, because I was going luxury. That's still luxury. It's an ILX. Cars for sale. Oh, you tried it. We're going to get it back in there. Look at that white TL. That exhaust is out.
That's a new one. The one I was looking at is the year before the facelift. Which I actually like the front end better. It's just that I don't like the other one like that.
They got Benz.
Hmm?
They got Benz.
Trying to get it?
E-Class. What if it's cheaper than the TLX?
Might can be. Ain't gonna be cheaper to maintain. Yeah.
Well, as much as you gonna put in it a month, you'll be able to maintain it. That $100 oil changes. Don't you throw that window down. I'm going to look at the Benz first. Y'all, and the Benz is cheaper. It's cheaper. You heard me? It's cheaper. 23. I don't know. And it's only 29,000 miles on it. It's only 29,000 miles on it. You getting that damn Benz. Look, gotta argue with somebody about getting the Benz or not. You getting the Benz.
That other one got red too.
I told you. Can we go back to the Benz price? It's like, nah. Yeah, they locked. I be trying, dog. So this is the car that makes his heart skip a beat. I don't like the red, y'all. I gotta say, I don't like the red.
If
this Negro got some nerve.
This
That's a black one, and it's $1,000 cheaper. Here we go. Zing! Same mile? I like the black better. You about to get this boy right here for 18.
Why are you playing? Like,
It's not A-Spec.
I know they didn't make A-Specs in these. So front end for front end, I like this front end more.
Oh, you
But
get
look at this butt.
you getting the red interior, by the way, for 34. I don't even want you getting the red car. It's fake. What you mean? It's got the.
That's what makes it a little bit so hard.
It's the same. The insides.
The contrast is. It's the contrast of the black and the red.
Well, at least you know now you can upgrade it. So let's go ahead and get the regular. You can change the butt. So let's go ahead and get the regular. I said at least you know now you can change the butt. Because you said it's fake.
No. You can't. I was talking about changing this one. This is the cheaper one.
Yeah, but is that the same?
They're not the same.
Right, but you can put, because you said that's fake.
Yeah, these are still different.
But that means you don't think that you can get a A-Spec bumper? Yeah.
Potentially, I don't know. like I said, that's
It
why.
ain't gonna be $15,000 more. It's like, nah. Mess around the bumper 10,000 by itself. Well, on second thought, I'm not going. I'm sitting in the car. My son's in the car. Let's see him pull on. Can I get a thumbnail? Bro, can I get a thumbnail? Nothing. Roll the window up on me.
So,
Can I see? Yeah, I can see you.
dang. Maybe I was trying to have a candid moment with my family.
What? I just said, can I see you?
Right. That, you ain't hear what did you hear what I said?
He says, yeah.
Maybe I was trying to have a candid moment. So, definitely like it. It feels quicker than it actually is, I think, because of the transmission.
Oh, because it's excellent? No, no. That's not transmission. Camera off.
1 eternity later.
Wait, don't go on the street. Woohoo! Somebody done drove home. Don't you go on that street. Somebody done drove home in his new car. Feeling fancy, Mr. 2019? Well, don't try me.
Don't speak the pulls, man. You need some money or something?
Ooh, you tried me. I X all this crap out. Take it back now or get out. For this ugly stuff. So since we are back home, we went to stop at the grocery store so we can grab some stuff to make seafood broil bread. And now we are having a little water fight. Let y'all have it in a little bit, cause I gotta go cook. Come on. Come, hurry up. Come.
I already have.
Oh, well, shoot. Alright, so my little broil is done. Nothing perfect. It's alright. Something quick, fast, in a hurry. Make this bird popping. Eat this. And get knocked.